Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely still very bullish right now. I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, and I can even see subdivisions like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3. We are at the 261.8% Fibonacci extension, which is a very likely area for a wave 3 to end. There's really no proof that the wave 3 is over yet, but if it is over, it should go down and make a wave 4, and then eventually back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we really do not have any breaker structure to the downside, so we can't say for sure that the trend is over. It could easily make a higher low and just keep on trending up. So definitely be aware that the trend is still up on the weekly and the monthly time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, unless price breaks below here, we really can't say for sure that the trend is definitely down. Now the daily time frame did break structure to the downside, so I am definitely looking for shorts. And while I'm looking for shorts, if it does just keep on trending down, then okay, that's actually good news for us. But I'm definitely keeping an eye on these Fibonacci levels. I'm definitely keeping an eye on my structure levels, because if it does turn back up, I definitely want to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the last major structure level for me is way up here. So this right here is likely to be some sort of a correction still to the downtrend. Unless it goes up and breaks this structure right here, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I'm definitely still looking primarily for three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up right here really does look like a trend big time. Looks like a nice 5-wave trend with a breaker structure. Makes you think that it's either a wave A or a wave 1, and that we're currently either in a wave B or a wave 2. Now you got to keep in mind, sometimes what you think is a wave B or a wave 2 will actually just keep on trending down. So definitely keep that in mind. The daily time frame is down now, and it may possibly keep going down. But if it does what Elliott Wave would say that it should do, it probably is going to end up going back up and making either a wave C or a wave 3. And if you know how to use Fibonacci extension and retracement properly, then you're definitely going to be able to know the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.